I have spent so much time to do this thing. So basically, orders, how orders are placed. Um, Protocols device drive what they want, and then based on their strategy, they can like output how many orders they want, and then just each order has some percentage value. That's why it's like order P, and then it has like additional metadata on the market price and so on. I initially thought I could just skip the markets and stuff, but the different quotations errors, so I can't really get rid of um, large parts of metadata which doesn't really belong to what the order like is, but still has to conceptually, but still has to be in there. I can't really get rid of it. Then we transition this thing to actual order, adjust it for how much we have on the protocol, and I just have much of protocols of the same that metadata of the same like subtype we have ongoing. So say we have like three momentum protocols. The size is going to be split amongst them. I thought to do initially to just manual decision on how much each one should um, yield, but that's just like additional complexity. Doesn't need this. Nor as a developer, nor as a user. It's easy to write in the code, but it's not so easy to use. Why would I do this to myself? I can just split it equally, you know. And the thing which I spent stupid amount of time on is trying to figure out how they move the like conceptual orders to the actual orders which are executed, because it would be very not modular to try to just fully track the conceptual orders which are created, which is this, and then like write metadata to like you don't do that, but then you need to connect them with what is actually happening, so you can like shuffle them around if needed instead of canceling and reopening, because it's more efficient and actually safer. Because what if price moves and you like canceling order in the moment? It's better to have order execute at slightly wrong price than not to execute at all. And then I actually don't need to do this because because I'm stupid. Because if as long as we're just this catches up to this in a considerable like it's in a reasonable amount of time, I actually don't give a fuck what's going on the actual execution front. I can just reason about conceptually inside here, like when we're making a decision about how to change them. I actually don't care what's going on the execution side as long as we know that it just gets there in a reasonable time. I can just mark the outstanding uh, or orders as already closed. Sizing doesn't matter. And then that's it. That's it. That's it. Then it's just like 100% the stop orders, any stop orders, 100% like any normal orders, and then market orders to execute immediately. All the size of what is passed, and if it's over, like we just got before, and then that's it. That's it. It's simple. It's simple. But I guess I think I'm lacking. I'm heavily lacking the design patterns because I haven't been in just writing code in general for long. Like I've been in it intensely, but not long. So I don't really have much experience with just doing it, actually doing it, like on large, especially large projects. So I am heavily lacking design patterns, and I think I'm wasting a lot of time trying to come up with them myself, rather than stealing them from other people. So what I need to do, and I haven't spent enough time doing this before, haven't allocated, which is like kind of crazy. Looking at other people's code in the same industry, right? So I took a look at some engines and like order book stuff, whatever, of like other people. I brought some myself, but these are like not that large. And I total time I spent on reading other people's code in this, probably like 4 5 hours, not more, which is stupid little. Like it's nothing. It's absolutely nothing. So the first thing I am going to do is this week, and probably for the next like month or two, I am spending 2 hours daily reading other people's motivations of things as close to what I have in here as possible. Preferably, of course, Rust, because that's the version I'm using, but it doesn't matter that much because I need design patterns as much as weird Rust edge case things. So any other language I'm comfortable with, or any other low-level language would be also good. So probably will spend a decent amount of time reading C++, applications, and Going, which is great. Use Going. Use Going. If you don't care about performance that much, but like to some degree, use Going. It's amazing. Um, anyways, I haven't even implemented this fully, so uh, build it tomorrow, and then reading design patterns. It probably will solve the problem. Everything is a skill issue, which is great. Which is just absolutely great. Just need to solve it, and I'm good. Um, there we go. Goodbye.